Hello, welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video we're gonna continue. Yes, today we're gonna continue over part 2 of University of Siegen. And if you remember, in the part 1 of the video, I will just showed you how to apply for electrical engineering, how to create first the Unison account. Then also I showed you how to select the electrical engineering thing. After that, we were missed or directly sent to bachelor degree details, but there I also added a bit of our previous videos where we showed you how to apply for second PUC or secondary school living certificate data before you start your bachelor's. So I don't know if it is really needed or not needed based on you apply. If you want it, then please make use of it. Otherwise, please directly check the bachelor which I am showing you today, which is in the part 2 of the video. Before that, if you're new to this channel, then please don't forget to click like, share and subscribe, and also please share this video with the people who are in need, so that they can also look into their our videos, get to understand the all requirements of all the colleges for electrical engineering, at least for now. But in in future videos, I will also make it for other courses. In the meantime, I am getting so much of requests for one-on-one session and any help. I am working on a website. Please bear with me for another four weeks, because I'm in a situation where I have to move to new location also for my new job. So that's the reason I'm also busy with so many of other things. So that's the reason it is taking delay, but I am pretty sure and I promise you I will make a website at last so that you guys can interact with me more well. Other than that, I just wanted to let you guys know, if you're watching this video at the first, then please I suggest you to go back to the part 1 video, check part 1 video, then come back to part 2 video, so that you will not miss anything. Because if you miss something, then you will ask the same question which I have covered in the video again in the comment. I don't like to reply those. That's the reason I suggest you guys to watch first part, then come back to the second part where we are now. In this part, I just wanted to let you guys know, first we will fill in the bachelor degree details. This is where we last stopped. So that's the reason I took this part, and I have filled all bachelor degree details for electrical engineering. That's what we have done. But if you have not done the electrical engineering, then you could also fill in the closely related fields that you have done. It could be electrical engineering or electrical communication, electronics and information technology, telecommunication, any of the closely related fields. The degree would be Bachelor of Engineering. That is what, at least in Karnataka they say, or most of the part of India they say Bachelor of Engineering. If you are some of the countries, if they say Bachelor of Science degree and any of the degree name, please mention the degree name that you have done. Then the subject which you have done is electrical engineering. Other than that, your GPA in your grading system. So this means not the German GPA, your GPA in the grading system. So here you can just give the actual grade that you have, 8.8 CGPA. Then maximum grade in your grading system, that will be our 10 CGPA. Then minimum passing grade would be, in our grading system, it will be 5 CGPA. If you give all these three information, then they will use the same TUM official website how we convert to GPA, our German GPA. Then they will convert the official German GPA. So this I have also showed in many of the videos how to check in the TUM official grade conversion tool. So please check out the TUM official grade conversion GPA tool, then give in all these details, then you will get a GPA that is your German GPA, which you can use it for so many other applications. Then date of final degree, the degree when you have finished. So people who have not finished it, then you can also select the future dates. So say example 2020 future dates also can be possible or can be selected. So this means people who have not finished it, so people who are in the 7th semester. First I will finish the people who have finished. So people who have already finished, then please select when you have finished here. Then in the remarks, please tell them that I have finished the degree, then also I have the official degree certificate. Okay, so now we'll come back to the people who have finished but don't have the degree certificate, they have only PDC. Then please give in the date that you have finished, then give in the remarks saying I have only provisional degree certificate, I am waiting for the official degree certificate. Okay, then the third case is people who have not yet finished. So say example they are finishing after 6 months. So usually then select 2025 and which month you are finishing, say example June. Then you will finish at June 30, then you will submit the application or once you get the results. So in this time, if you are not finished yet, then please mention in the remarks that I have not yet finished the degree, I have in 7th semester, then I will finish degree in so and so date. Then you will have to prove that with a document from your college saying he is just intended to finish his degree at this point of time. Then you will get a certificate from your college saying he is pursuing the degree in our college, then he will be intended to finish that degree in next 6 months. So please get that certificate, then upload it. Then you can also cover the part where if you have not finished a degree. This is what I just wanted to tell you. Then you can click on next. Once you clicked on next, here in the next section you can fill in the occasional training, work experience, internship, any of the work experience things that you have done. So here if you can see they have also asking for occasional training. So occasional training could be any of the certifications that you have done for like 3 months or 6 months. Say example, if you do CCNA for Cisco, so Cisco certified security engineer, then it will take up to like 3 to 6 months, because I did it for at least 4 months. So usually those comes under occasional training. Then work experience, if you have anything, please mention it. Then the internship, if you have, please mention it. So in order to put in here, it has to be eligible at least more than 3 months. So keep that in mind. Okay, then please mention, if you are mentioning, then please mention the institute name where you have done, then the nature of your designation, what you have done, employment, trainee, internship, from period to period where, then that's it. So then you have to also prove the certification at the end of the document. If you have not putting anything, or if you don't have anything, then don't put, because you can also see this is not a mandatory requirement. So no vocational training, work experience would be mandatory detail. They will just ask you so that they will get a little more idea in which field you have already worked and gained a knowledge. So this is not a factor in deciding your admission criteria. This could be an add-on for your admission criteria. Then you can click on next. Once you clicked on next, then you need to give your language proficiency for electrical engineering. So a minimum of 6 should be there. So thus only minimum of 6 has to be there. It doesn't cover any of the section that you have getting. There is no limit for the internal section. So at most you have to have at least 6 B2 and above. So you just mention your English language proficiency exam that you have done, IELTS, TOEFL, native speaker or other. So I have done IELTS academic, then the result is 7. Then you can give in your result which you have get. You have to have at least 6. Okay, then you can click on next. Once you clicked on next, then these are the documents that you need to fill in for your electrical engineering thingy. So cover letter, certificate of university degree, certificate of academic record, consolidation mark sheet, CV resume, English proficiency test certificate. So we will fill in all documents that they have asked for. And if you have already filled in the internship or any of the experience, then they would have given a additional document or a additional space where you have to fill in your work experience or internship certificate that you have done. After filling or giving the all required documents, then you can click on next. Once you clicked on next, you need to fill in the APS document, which is the important one. So people who are finished, so which people who are coming from China, Vietnam and India as of now, you have to submit the academic evaluation certificate or center for APS certificate, which supposed to be filled together with their application documents or at the time of enrollment at least. So they are giving a chance to fill in at least registration form as of now when you are applying, but you need to submit your APS documentation before the enrollment. But this would be 100% possible, because if you don't have APS document, you won't get the visa. If you don't have the visa, you cannot travel to Germany and enroll. So this is this we keep it out. So at the time of application is the one which we are considering. At the time of application, it is not mandatory that you need to have APS. If you have APS certificate already, then please put it. If you don't have it, then please combine all necessary documents that you have for APS, like registration, payment receipt, when you have done everything into one PDF, and put it here saying that you have applied for APS and waiting for the result. That is how it sums up the APS certificate. I think I made everything clear. If you have APS document, directly put it. If you don't have, you can also use the registration form and the payment that you have done and waiting for the APS document. That is also valid. But you need to have a valid APS at least before the enrollment that you do. Then you can click on next. As soon as you clicked on next, then you have filled in all mandatory details. As I told you, entry qualification, it has taken from the previous entry qualification that I have done. So it's good that I checked it and put the bit in first part, otherwise you guys would have been missed it. Then after second PUC, the second PUC you did is for bachelor degree which you have studied. That's the reason you have also given bachelor degree details in detail. After that, you gave in the language proficiency that you've done for electrical engineering or needed for electrical engineering, which is IELTS 6. After that, you have uploaded all the necessary documents of for electrical engineering, which is cover letter, bachelor final degree certificate, final degree transcript, CV, IELTS. If you have done or added any work experience, then you could have also given work experience. At last, you have also given APS certificate if you have. Otherwise, you would have given APS registration form and also payment receipt. After filling all this, confirm that all data that you have given is correct. Then you can click on submit application. Once you submit the application, your application will be submitted. That's it. All other things would be mailed to you whenever you get a change in this Unison website. This is what I just wanted to mention you guys in today's video. Hope you guys liked it. I think I covered everything, and I also put so much of effort in making this video every time. So please make sure that you like this video, and also please share this video with the people who are in it so that they can also look into this video. And people who are watching, please don't forget to subscribe, because our subscriber count is not even reaching, and also watch hours are not going up. So let's see. Please support me, guys. See you in next video, in any of the requirement analysis video or any of the application video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.